In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list view in Salesforce Lightning. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, shareable list view on contacts, plus how to clone, rename, and choose a display that fits the way you work. Start on the Salesforce homepage, then head over to the Contacts tab. This takes you to the Contacts list area where you manage and organize the records you want to see. Near the top right of the list view, look for the gear icon, also called List View Controls. Click that and choose New. This opens the Create window for your new list. Enter a clear, descriptive list name. Pick something that makes sense to you and your team, like Open Prospects, Northeast, or Customers Without Activity. Descriptive names make it easier to recognize and reuse the list later. You'll see the List API name field as well. This usually fills in automatically based on the name you typed. It's used behind the scenes for references and integrations, and it doesn't allow spaces, so Salesforce typically inserts underscores. You can click into it if you need to adjust it, but most of the time the default is perfectly fine. Next, choose who can see this list view. If the list is personal or still in progress, select Only. I can see this list view. If it's ready for broader use and you want to standardize how the team views contacts, select All users can see this list view. Keep in mind, broader visibility is best for shared processes, while private visibility is ideal for drafts or personal workflows. Click Save to create the list. Your new view is now available in the Contacts List View Picker. From the same gear icon, you also have two powerful options. Clone lets you copy an existing list view, including its structure, so you can make a variation without starting from scratch. This is great when you want the same base setup with slight changes. Rename allows you to update the list's name later if your naming conventions change or you need to clarify its purpose. Finally, choose how the list is displayed. Use the list display selector to switch between formats. The standard table view is great for sorting and scanning columns. Kanban groups records by a pick list, which is handy for stages or statuses. Split view keeps a compact list on the left and record details on the right, which is excellent for quick review. That's it. You've created a new Salesforce Lightning list view, set its visibility, and learned how to clone, rename, and pick the best display for your workflow.